G'day guys, Chili Cube from Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Originally from Birmingham in the United Kingdom over 35 years ago. Just said that because I had so many people say that that's not a true Australian accent, which no, it isn't, of course not. I originally came from Birmingham in the United Kingdom. So yes, it's not all an Aussie accent, and in 35 years I haven't lost my accent. Okay, let's get busy. Quite a nice large canvas I'm going to play with today, and it is a 76 centimeters by 60 centimeters. I'm using my lovely Mont Studio acrylics. I'm using some of the new colours that they have, and I'm going to basically do a great big colourful Aussie blow. I'm going to call it an Aussie blow because I'm in Australia, and I'm going to blow this all out with the hairdryer, but it's going to be just all random beautiful colours on the canvas. All of my pouring medium recipe and how I mix my paint is in a little description box underneath my video. My online supplier, everything that I've put into my paints. This is my pouring medium. I do 70-30. The recipe and how I do it is in the below drop down box. You will find lots of goodies there, including beginners videos. So this may be a really good beginners video if you're wanting to do a nice colourful piece for your walls. I think I seen, correct me if I'm wrong, the lovely Molly Artistry did this big colourful blowout maybe last week. Well, I know that I seen it come up in my feed last week, but it looked beautiful at the end, and Molly loved it too, and she's a lovely artist, so I'm gonna just go along the same kind of lines that Molly went along, but of course, you know, I'm Jillifying it, just doing it my way, as Frank Sinatra said. But here you go. So there's the lovely turquoise. I'm just gonna do big anything's that the heart's desire. It's gonna be free flow, Joe. I'm going to use up all of these lovely colours. This was the turquoise, and I went and added some blue, dark blue. Okay, now for the brilliant red. Oh, okay. I suppose the idea is don't think about it too much. Just go with it, because you know you never know what you're gonna get. So just like life, just go with it. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. So there you go. I love. I mean, that's a good painting on its very own. The nice red and the turquoisey teal go absolutely beautiful together. But I'm going to throw some colours in the mix here. Obviously, I've got to jillify it. I'm going to that's the gorgeous new I think it's called mid yellow in the Mont Studio acrylics. But if you go onto the site that I have underneath, Capriole Shabby Chics, it's got all the colours there listed. So now I'm really going to throw it in the mix. This was my custom colour, which is the darkest red you can get, and then I put in phthalo blue. Yeah, and if you want it to go even darker cherry, then add a blob of black. I was trying to think now. Oh my god, I hope this just doesn't look like one big Santa spew, because Oh dear, it's looking like it could do. This is definitely abstract art. I would love to have a great big floor of a warehouse and be able to go full pelt on just putting it all out there. That's what I'd love to do. Okay, in this mix I have my Mont already pre-mixed with the PVA and glue. So it's pre-mixed and I'm just gonna use it to torch, pour on, torch on. What am I doing? I'm going crackers. Oh, okay. Well, I'm either going to end up with paint from tip to toe, or we just see, hey? We just see how this goes. So that's quite a fluid mix of the white. So I'm going to put my trusty hairdryer. Oh, wowzers, wowzers. Okay, what I might do before I do the hairdryer, I might just go over it with my Wonder Wand. Is go over the craziness. Take out some of those air bubbles. Give it a bit of heat. My magic wand, izzy wizzy, let's get busy. Okay, just enjoy what you do. Don't worry about what anybody else thinks about you. You're alone in your art room. Just go for it. The rules are there's no rules. So I've got my hairdryer. I've got it on the cold setting. I'm gonna just gonna go for it. Scary. Oh yeah, that's everywhere. Never mind. Who said an art floor should be clean? Nobody, ever. Fun, fun, fun. In the fun, fun, fun. Wow. Definitely a jelly-fied blow because it's colourful. Love it, love it. That's going on my wall. I love it. Molly, that was fun. I enjoyed that. I probably could go around and put a bit more white and blow it on, but I absolutely love it. It's jellified for sure because it's nice and colourful. It's what I love. And remember, your art room, your rules. Unless you're doing a commission for someone and you have to go by guided by what they would like. But then again, in this particular art, abstract art, especially the fluid art, you just have to go with it, go with the creative juices that keep flowing and not have to be restricted by conforming to a colour chart. Just go with it. Wow. Okay, love it. That will look stunning with a really nice gloss coating on that. So much fun. I am going to give it a little torch, bring up a few more cells, sound drunk. Okay, swap it over. Let me know what you think. It's a crazy one, it's colourful, it's joyful. That would look so nice and bright, and if you've got a nice plain wall, there's not one colour that it wouldn't go with in your room. Not that art has to go with anything in your room. Remember what Banksy said, art comforts the disturbed or disturbs the comfortable. I like that saying very much. I'm definitely not going to torch anymore because it's a nice change not to have it covered in cells everywhere. That is stunning and I absolutely love it, and I did not think I would. Thank you, Molly. Thank you very much. I mean, we've all done these blow things before, but we've all been a bit conservative, I think, in doing all these, samey. But wow, that is a beauty. That's really stunning. And believe it or not, these things like this on a big canvas sell like hotcakes. So when this one's fully dried and had the beauty treatment on it, it will go on my you'll find a link below where my art is for sale at a local gallery called Resin Republic, and they have an online shop, so anyone in the United Kingdom, the US or anywhere can go online and purchase my art. I don't charge a lot for it. I want it to be affordable art. So if you'd like a piece, and especially probably a smaller piece, they deal with all the postage and let you know what the postage cost and the exchange rate and all that dovalaki. I don't deal with any of that and I'm not interested, but they do, so very thankful for that. And that's where you can buy my art at this present time. Okay, so this will be, obviously, it might spend a few months gracing my walls, I'm not sure, or it might go up for sale. So it'll go to there anyway, to that particular site. Remember, all of my info is below this video. The description on the pouring medium, the recipe, everything's there. So any questions, please have a look underneath. But yeah, let me know what you think, and thanks so much for subscribing. I appreciate each and every one of you. I truly do. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And until the next exciting episode, bye for now.